Hi and welcome back to our home decor channel. Today we are diving into the world of macrame wall hangings with a special twist. Using wool to create stunning cozy designs, whether you are a seasoned macrame artist or just starting out. These ideas will bring warmth and style to any room. Introduction to Macrame and Wool. Macrame is an art form that's been around for centuries, but recently it's been making a big comeback in modern home decor. What makes these wool macrame design so special? The soft texture of wool adds a cozy, inviting touch to your space while still offering that unique boho aesthetic. I have gathered some of the best macrame wall hanging ideas for around the web and I am so excited to share them with you. Let's start with this beautiful design using thick full sleeve wool yarn. The chunky texture creates bold patterns that make a statement on any wall. Here is a classic example of a geometric macrame pattern where wool is woven in a way that creates clean lines and modern vibes. These designs is perfect for those who love a minimalist approach but want to add a bit of personality to their walls. You can even experiment with different wool's color to match your home's color tone. Next up, this soft texture macrame design with cascading wool tassels. It adds so much movement and dimension to piece. Thanks for tuning in. If you loved today's video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you next time and happy crafting! I hope you are feeling inspired to create your very own wool macrame masterpiece. Don't forget, it's all about experimenting with different textures and designs. And if you try one of these ideas, I would love to see your creations. Be sure to tag me on social media and share your beautiful work. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.